Okay. Alright, so looks like we're going into our next pass now. We got a lot of switchbacks coming up. We got a couple of old Triumphs in front of us. It's pretty cool. So, I think that's most of the switchbacks here for a bit. Beautiful waterfall right through there. Unbelievable. They have all these tunnels that they just cut. They kind of cut into the side of the hill. It's not a full tunnel, but just have the out exposed to the nature. Your blinkers on. More traffic. Yeah, let's go around. Woo, cruising down the tunnel. Wow. Wow. That's going to be really hard to edit this video down. And then get ready for the money shot coming out. Woo! And immediately warms back up. Oh my god, sure. If there's a place to park. Here, let's just pull in here and then we'll back up. Gag ladder just sailing down.
Show them that it is fresh.
So Julie just had her first little oopsie daisy. She was on a little inclined parking lot space here, and it just started to go over. So she's got a little bit of road rash there, but she was going all of 0.1 mile an hour. It literally just fell over, but she's okay. The only thing that's hurt is her ego. So we're moving on. We're just taking a breather to regain ourselves, but she's okay. Alright, so we just had an absolutely awesome lunch in this little cafe called Panorama, and it was we had some bratwurst on top of brown bread with mustard and to dip in and some mayo to dip in, and a cafe. So we're fueled up. The bikes are good for another easy 100 miles. We're actually on a bridge right now for this hairpin. Going so slow. Woo! And there we go. We're going all the way down there. You can actually see there's an airfield down there, all the way in the valley. That's unbelievable. What an approach that would be to land at. My God. You have to be a skilled pilot to fly around in the air with all the different thermos, wind currents coming down off the mountain, steep approaches to get over the hills. Man. No joke. This is like a Hot Wheels track with these bridges that jut out. Look at that. We were just up there, the Hot Wheels track. There's our paraglider friend, and we got some more hairpins. Whoa, and we got a little cobblestone action here. This is so interesting. Look at this. Look at these roads. Yeah, I don't know. Or if it's like a heavily snowed area, and yeah, I bet those cobblestones are more forgiving for frost heaves than pavement is, maybe. Yeah, this one's got a nice bank angle to it. Okay, a little too slow. There we go. Yeah. Wow, we're going down there. Okay, this is kind of crazy. Yeah, Switzerland's a little weird of a hybrid country. You got German in the north, French in the west, and Italian in the south. We're taking this hairpin. What else is new? You can feel the temperature just climbing the further lower we get. Air's thicker, retains more heat. Right, still hairpinning. Don't cut that corner too tight because there's cars that turn left. Just be slow there. Yeah. And now here we are, still in Switzerland, but we are approaching the Italian border, several kilometers, which we've been on the bikes all day now. We left at about 9:30. It is now 3. Been there the whole time. We still got about 2 hours to go, so it's going to be a full day. Absolutely a full day of riding, but beautiful scenery, you know. We did not do too many kilometers, but it's just, you know, the roads are, you know, 50 kilometers per hour, 30, 80, you know, so it's certainly not a high-speed Autobahn that we're able to take advantage of, but hopefully we can pick up the pace here a little bit, get there before we get too tired. we're in no danger of losing the sun. The sun's not setting here until probably 8:30, 9. So we're good on that front, but as you can see, the scenery is still epic. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then we slow down for these towns when we're at 50. Yeah. We'll catch you guys in a little bit.